Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this nice looking wireless signal forwarding system by PHYSEN. It's battery operated, it's a doorbell and chime forwarding system. We have a radio converter for an existing bell system at your home. That means you have a wired bell system at home in your house, and you can additionally extend this system by using this wireless Gong extension set here. It's a WET02 battery transmitter and a receiver in one pack. And it's really easy and quick integrated into any existing bell system. The PHYSEN WET02 wireless transmitter for electromechanical and mechanical bells and chimes are really nice to make an additional wireless function to it. For example, you have the doorbell on in your living room, but you have a garage outside, for example, and you are often in the garage or the garden. In this case, you have to connect this by wire to have a gong outside. That's a lot of work, or isn't it? In this case, it's really easy. We can use this set to make an extended wireless solution. And then you have a gong in your garage or garden or where something else. Really cool. We have a digital code system automatically adjusts to eliminate possible interferences. We have here 433 megahertz plus minus 40 kilohertz. We connect it to the transmitter in the open field range. It's possible of up to 230 meter. Of course, this is not reachable because you have in your house, you have water pipes, water lines, and a little bit other problem things behind the walls or in the walls, and the Wi-Fi rail will go through it, but it will be dimmed a little bit. So it's 230 meter in open range, of course, but at your home, I think it will be 100 meter or something else. But this is enough, I think. We have an easy installation, as you can see. You open your bell system and connect the two wires to it. This is a low voltage system, so you can check it before you install it, of course, but it's not a lot of electrical power inside, so you will be safe. The marked cable plus and minus do not need to be distinguished between a positive and negative poles. And this is really cool and are therefore easy to install. That means you can dock it into your existing doorbell system, get there into a clamp or something else, job's done. It's really easy, as you can see. And the PHYSEN wireless bells universal wireless receiver for radio signals transmitted with 58 polyphonic melodies and optical LED signal and 5-level volume. That means you can use the buttons over there to switch between the different songs or bell system signals, and you can go up to 110 decibel in the loudness. We have a radio signal forwarding set here with the WET02, one battery transmitter and one socket receiver. It's really easy that you can connect this nearly anywhere you need it. Okay, we have on the plug-in receiver, we have an AC plug. We have a speaker, an up button, a down button to choose between the songs, and a volume control button to choose the volume. On the plug-in receiver, we have a power cord, plus minus can be connected on both cables. We have a battery placed there. This battery is to transport the Wi-Fi signal over a longer range than the power supply of the Gong system itself will support. and it's really easy to attach it, because you only have to clamp it to the existing lines. Okay, we first test our DC power supply with the included electric pan, for example, or a Doorbell or something else. If the original DC power supply the system is broken, we use the PHYSEN wireless doorbell extender to help us to make a perfect call with it. Then we have on the doorbell settings, we can adjust 5 volume adjustments levels from 0 up to 110 decibel. We press the volume control button for this. The ringtone change, we can go up and down to choose the ringtone we like. If we like to make a reconnection of things or a reset, we are press the down button for 5 seconds. And the receiver is then in the default settings again. Okay, after this we can pair it. We press and hold the volume control button for 5 seconds. There will be a ding dong sound. Okay, the volume control down button. Then the pairing mode will begin. Within 5 seconds, we press the original wire doorbell to trigger the wireless doorbell transmitter. The sender, the signal of the receiver will be paired. Job's done. But if you attach it first time, it will automatically pair each other, though you will not have a problem. But maybe you have to reset it, and that's the way it is. You can see it's really easy to attach, and it makes your existing doorbell system wireless anymore. This is a really cool system, huh? This is the PHYSEN wireless signal forwarding battery operated doorbell and chime forwarding system, radio converter for an existing bell system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.